Hi friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist. I've got 10 years of truly a mixed bag of whatever I find interesting to share. And since this is Valentine's theme, I actually have over 30 Valentine themed videos in my playlist. So today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for my children and grandchildren for Valentine's Day. I'm going to insert a picture here of a couple Valentine charcuterie boxes that I've made for them the last couple years. The first year I bought like these 8x8 kind of craft style bakery boxes for Amazon. They worked out great, but I tell you, I've made way too much stuff. I think they probably ended up throwing about half of it away. It was a labor intensive. So last year I think I had the leftover boxes and I made a video on it and I scaled it back a little bit. But even scaling it back, it was a little labor intensive, and I'm sure they enjoyed it just as much. But this year, I'm scaling it back even more. And what I bought this year are these little plastic sewing boxes from the Dollar Tree. Now, I know it may seem kind of expensive to buy these for every person, but you know, they're $1.25 and a stocking costs that much, or a gift bag costs that much, and so that's how I could justify it. But Dollar Tree has two different kinds of these little storage boxes. This one, like I said, was in the craft department that you would put bobbins in or sewing notions, and they also have one in the hardware department. And I took a picture here to show you that it is a little bit bigger than this if you don't want to go this small. It just depends on how many you need to make. I'm gonna make 7, so I just thought I would stick with the smaller one. And I took the sticker off, and you have a nice big area here if you choose to decorate it. I mean, if you've got pretty handwriting, you could take permanent markers and decorate it up, write their name on it, make it as elaborate as you want it to be. But I had some scrapbook paper and I only have a black and white printer, so I'm going to show you what I printed off and how I'm going to decorate the top of it, and then show you what I bought to put in it. All right, here are my 7 little boxes that I bought. And then to decorate the top, like I said, I have a black and white printer, and I printed off this little heart paper. I'll put the link below of where I found that. And you could use red construction paper, scrapbook paper, whatever you got. And I cut some out, and then I just printed off my family's names. I'll put the name of this font in the description box. I just thought that was really cute. And I measured out my longest name to make sure that it would fit on top. This bigger section of my little treat box is where I'm going to put a Rice Krispie treat. We're 12 days from Valentine, so I don't want to make them yet, but I've got some red M&Ms, some marshmallows, and some Rice Krispie cereal that I will just make some Rice Krispie treats and put some red M&Ms on top. And I'll cut everybody a big rectangle and put in that little section. And what I have here is about $5 worth of Dollar Tree candy. I bought a bag of those heart-shaped marshmallows. I've got a box of some Valentine Junior mints that I can put a couple in everybody's box. Some Valentine Tootsie Rolls that I can put a couple in everybody's. And then the little foil covered hearts. And then here I just have some little leftover candy, some gold candies and some cinnamon candy and things like that that I can use as a filler. So total wise, the boxes cost me right at $9, and then the candy was $5 something, and then the Rice Krispie treats cost me about $5. I did not spend hardly over $20, and I got 7 treat boxes. So for $2 or $3 a piece, this is just a cute, one-of-a-kind little treat to give my family members. You know, it's not about how much money you spend, it's just how you make them feel. And I just think one of these little personalized little treat boxes are just a fun way to say I love you on Valentine's. So I hope I inspire you to do something like this for your family and friends. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with some more packaging ideas. Bye-bye.